So good morning guys, we are on sector A this morning. Fantastic views in the distance there, and this is a lovely little park just outside this next villa that I'm going to show you around. So let's go in and check this one out. This property is for sale with to let to sell to buy.com. So check out the website. We go in these really large gates and you have the spectacular Neptuno here. You have a large garage with this property and a large pool area, but let's go in and view the house itself. So this is a 2-bedroomed 2-bathroom Neptuno, which is quite unusual. They're usually 3-bedroomed. So let's go upstairs now. You have this decorative balustrade and these marble steps. We go into the enclosed D and you have got wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows, as you can see. It's fully enclosed and you've got curtains as well, and you've got ceiling light and fan above. The wreckers on here are quite heavy. This wrecker gate, quite a heavy one. So just there you have an insect screen as well, so you pull that out. So if you want to leave your front door open. So we go inside into this very large imposing living room. Just behind the door immediately you have your wardrobe, and in this case they've put shelves in, which has made great use of storage. Of course, on the other side of the wardrobe there is your vacuum cleaner, etc. So this is a fantastic room. It has been extended, and so I'm just going to bring you around. It has an internal staircase in this property. So you have aircon there as well, and you've got this very large pellet burner. Just going to pan around for you guys. You've got all your power points there. So as you can see, it's very, very large. So I'm going through this archway over here to show you the 1-bedroom and 1 shower room. So you've got a shower room here with the shower behind that tiled wall there. It's all fully tiled from top to base, and you have a vanity unit and sink and your WC with your mirrors and your lights on as well. You've got a frosted glass window over there as well. Now in here is your master bedroom. This is a very large bedroom, I got to say. You have storage over the far side. Just going to pan around for you guys. I want to get full feel of this room. This is a very, very large bedroom. And you've got your freestanding wardrobes over there, that end. Okay. I don't want to walk too fast for some of you guys. I whiz around. I know, you've told me so. So I'm just coming over here to show you that not only have you got a pellet burner, your ceiling light and fan, you have aircon down here as well. So I'm going to take you upstairs and I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So just up here you have your terrace directly in front. This is a large double bedroom with some storage there. And you have aircon above. You've also got your ceiling light and fan here. And just at the top of the stairs, you've got a porthole window. So I'm just going to take you in to the ensuite here. Your bidet, your WC, your bath and your shower. You have a frosted glass window just there as well. And I'll just walk down the other end of the room and turn around for you guys. And just there you've got an overhead heater above, just above the door. Okay? I'll take you out and we'll go out and see that fabulous terrace. Because this is a great location on Sector A. It's so close to the amenities, it's just a short walk. And the views from here are beautiful as well. You have got storage there. And if I just show you out here, look, birds are tweeting. Sounds wonderful. So see the mountains in the distance. They look quite a lot nearer to me than what you're actually seeing. And you have got that park right directly in front of this property. You also have solar panels above. And this is a nice area to put some loungers, maybe a lazy spa, some grass, that false grass, you know, and just enjoy it. And your pool area is down there, which we are going to go down and see in a moment. You also have your garage there in front of the gate and off-road parking. So we're just coming inside now, and I'm going to take you down the stairs. And I'll see you down at the bottom of the stairs, guys. And we'll go out in the garden and have a look at the pool area. So I'm at the bottom of the stairs now. This is your dining area here. And that goes out into your kitchen area. So in your kitchen area you have granite worktops, nice sink and drainer with your water filter tap, dishwasher, you've got integrated hob and oven, plenty of top and base units as you can see, and you've got some spotlights above there. You've also got your fridge, freezer and washing machine in here. I'll go down the other end of the room and I'll pan around for you guys. There you have it. So this is a really nice kitchen. And of course you have your extractor hood just under the hob there as well. Okay, so let's go out and have a look around the pool area. Now just here you've got a few steps. You've got about 3 steps down into the garden. And this here is the side of the property, and you have got some storage there. You might have a gas bottle in there, I don't know. You have this lovely lighting, and you have this area where you have a pergola here with a huge awning. So you have a lovely big area here if you just want to lounge or whatever, you know. And just down here through these archways, you come across just a few more steps here, another 3, and this brings you down into the area where you've got outside dining. It's nice and shaded here, and you have another area if it's shaded later on with plug sockets, etc. Now just through that door is the garage. And just here is your shower. You've got an exceptionally large shower here. Just want to give you a good look. Now this is an unusual garage in the sense that It has a sink here, like that, and then you've got all your water taps and that. And as I pan around in the garage, you will see that just here, you have a toilet. So the curtains do come around. For your privacy. Just come down the other end of the garage just to give you a feel, you know, the sense of the room. There is 2 windows there, like that window there with the glass bricks or blocks in it. So I'm just going to take you out now. We'll go see this beautiful pool area. So I'll go here so you can see. So you could turn this into an outside kitchen if you wanted, you know. You've got all this great big area here for lounging. And you've got that area up there as well. You know, so you could do so much here to this. And you've got these lovely decorative lights. You usually see them on Christmas cards, don't you? These pretty lights. And you got a few of them around the place. So I'm just gonna come here, pan around, you've got all this decorative. So this is the villa. It's a very substantial villa, even though it's a 2-bedroomed. There is so much area here. You could put an outside kitchen here. You could do so much, and it's got plenty of lounge and outside space. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed showing you around, and I see you guys in the next video.